Hi kids! Hi kids! I'm Celebi. Want to kiss at me? Guys, also play with video down below. Also the master prison ball. Now we have also play with video. Also master prison ball. Also ring the bell. Play with video. Okay, here. Okay, Celebi, breathe. Okay, too heavy.
Jollibee too strong. Oh, what do we have for today? It's
And puzzle.
puzzles. Let me read. It says lot. It's not English. It's lot de four puzzles. It's like Spanish, I think. Jiffy.
Goofy.
Jiffy. It says 4-year-old. How old are you? How old are you? 3. Yeah, you're 4. You're gonna be 4 next week. Okay.
Help me.
Okay. So we.
Help me. How you?
It says there's 4 lot de 4 puzzles. There's like 4 puzzles inside, I think.
4?
Yeah.
There's no 4 puzzles. 1 puzzle. 4.
Okay. Is it hard to open?
No, it's fine. I'm
You,
fine.
oh, you got it? I think.
Joey, put down. Hey!
Oh, you get Jollibee, Arby.
Thank you.
Oh, Arby, ulit ko. Ate, open it na.
Oh.
You help ate. Come on. You pull this one, Ben. Yeah, you pull it with ate.
Ate, I'll help you. Good thing you said ate.
Yan. Daddy will help you.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, let's turn it around. Let's turn it around.
Oh.
Okay. Oh wait, look at the price. It's only how much is this one?
$10?
It's 100 pesos.
What?
100. Whoa, this is the first puzzle, I think.
Oh.
Let me see. This is the first puzzle. Oh, there's more puzzles inside. Oh, be careful. This is the first puzzle. Let's try to how do we open this one? I think you need to slide it somewhere. Oh, I found it. You have to slide this one.
How?
I will hold the box. You slide. You pull.
Okay.
Is it hard? Careful. Oh, it's hard. Let me try.
A little bit. Keep moving a little bit and keep moving. Holding it.
Oh, there's a lot of puzzles inside.
I think it's all that way. Like the one like the fishes.
Oh, sige.
Never mind.
Let's try to open it.
Never mind.
Why is it so hard? I think I know why it's hard. Because some of the puzzles are in the way. Look, it's in the middle. Can you hold this one? I'll try to.
Put it.
You
Okay.
you look at the puzzle box.
Okay, look. I cannot hold it my phone.
Don't focus it on me. Focus it on the box.
Look at the box. Oh, what are you doing?
I got it.
Can you move this apart?
Yeah, you can. But if you mix them, it's hard to solve it. I will pour this one now, okay? Here comes the puzzles. Here comes the puzzles. They're wooden puzzles. It's nice. Oh look, I know they have shapes in the back. So it means this triangle goes with the other triangles. See?
No, I already know. I'm gonna do it.
That's for the circle one.
I already know I said.
Yeah, I know.
So
That's for the circle ones. This is diamond. This is different.
What is it?
You look for the circle ones and give it to ate. You look for the circle ones and give it to ate.
This one. I'm building this one.
What shape are you building? Look at the back. Look at the back. What shape are you building?
A chicken.
It's not this shape.
It's
A diamond. It's a diamond. So you need to.
It is a diamond.
Okay. Oh, you get all the diamonds. Okay. Oh, here's for the triangles and squares. You know na, Casey?
Upside down.
Oh, here's another circle for you.
It's diamond.
I think that does not go there.
Does it does?
No, this one goes here. Look at the fence. You see the fence there? Oh, see? Goes there. And then that one, see the chicken? No, the chicken. Look at the chicken. No, the chicken head? It's a chicken body.
Back. Back.
Yan.
Wow.
Oh, let's find more circles for ate. Oh, this is a circle.
No.
This is a circle. It's for you.
No. What's it?
I think, look at that one. It's a sheep's feet.
No, I already know.
I already know. Oh yeah, that's the edge. What shape is this one, Ben?
Oh,
It's a diamond shape. This is for you. The way you're gonna make the diamond.
What is this? Is this a button? What is this? This is the button with a hand?
Yeah, with the hand, with the
It's
hand.
a triangle.
No, it's not a hand. It's a horse tail.
Now what do we do? This? I think I'm already done.
Almost.
Maybe this.
Look for the circle shapes. Diamond.
Wait. I'm a diamond. I want the diamond. I found it. Oh, I found it.
Here's diamond, Ben.
I found it. Look. Diamond. I found it. What is it? Let's see.
Ah, here's a circle,
It's
Ben.
a zebra.
This I found-
Dad, you all have to look at this. This pencil. This is a zebra.
Edge.
It's a zebra.
Oh, this is another
This is a
circle.
zebra.
I found another circle.
It's just a zebra. A zebra.
Oh, you're missing two more. Only two more.
Okay. I'll be up with the hardest. I'll be the pizza.
Oh, you mean the edge like this, Ned, like the green one. You're right. They look different. This one has a red edge. This one has a yellow edge. This
Oh,
one
I
has
found it.
this one has a blue edge.
Oh, I found it.
You found it? Oh, it's upside down.
Can we build a puzzle? What's the puzzle?
Look at this one. It's a roof. What
I
is the
found it. I found it.
One more. And then you're done.
Where's another piece? I don't know what's another piece.
Maybe it fell on the floor. I found it. It's on the floor.
There it is. I found it.
Yay! Ate got the first one.
I didn't know
Arby,
what
look-
it is.
Look at that, Ate got the first one.
After that, no. That's my turn.
Yay! Now it's Arby's turn. You help
No.
Arby. I'm gonna put it on the other
I'm
side.
gonna do it all by myself. After I finish solving all of that, I want to solve another one. After that's solving the whole thing, I'll be turn after that.
Okay.
Oh, I found-
Diamond. Okay. Arby, get all the diamond like this. This one diamond. Diamond. Oh, diamond. Oh. The one that fell down. What's that?
Diamond.
Oh, you start na. You can make that. You can start that one na.
This diamond.
Yeah, it's diamond. All of this one are diamonds.
No, next.
Yeah, you can start na. While I look for the others.
Also put this.
This is a diamond too.
This is the jungle.
Yes, jungle. Okay, oh, get all the four so that we can see the pictures. Put it over here. Careful, not to break it, baby. We're gonna show it to the camera, to the kids what you did. Okay, kids, these are all the four puzzles. This one is under the sea. There's a, what's this one? A clam.
Clam.
There's a starfish.
Starfish.
And what's this one? It's a
A
snake.
brown.
Snake?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
There's no.
And this one is a shark.
Fish. It's a fish. It's a fish.
This one is a
A crab.
crab. And this one is a
Octopus.
squid.
Squid?
Or a
It's
jellyfish.
octopus.
It's octopus.
It's a squid.
Okay,
Squid,
so this is under the sea. And then this one is the farm animals. They're all in the farm. Look, it's star. They're all in the sea. This one is on the farm. What's on the farm? Look,
Fox.
this is a fox.
I think the fox will go to eat things.
What does the fox say?
Fox. Ding,
Okay,
ding,
okay.
ding, 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 ding.
Like that, okay. How about this one? This is a oink oink.
Also,
It's a baboy.
guys, also the fox says pow, 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 pow.
Arby, what does the fox
Pow,
say?
pow, 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 pow.
Okay. What does the pig say?
One moment. Wink, 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 wink.
That's a weird pig. Oh, this one is a lamb or
Down, 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 down,
and this
down,
one is
down, down.
a
Cow,
carabao
Boo, 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 boo.
or a fox.
Cow.
A cow.
Cow, cow.
Oh, this one. What?
Wow, baby.
How about this one? Is this a turkey?
Cow.
Is this a turkey? Is this a turkey?
What is that?
Okay. Arby. Okay, this one first. What is this one? What is this one?
Oh, horse.
A horse. What does the horse say? Hey, I thought it's like that. What does the horse say, Beth? Neigh? No, the horse says. The horse says. Drop. Or what? Sorry. Okay. Next animal. This is the insects. The insects have a ladybug, a caterpillar. This is a pupu. And this is a bee. This is a bee. And this is a butterfly. And what's this one, Daisy? Oh, this is a snail. So this is not a snail. This is not a snail. This is something else. Sea snail. Oh, there's a sea snail. Okay, wait, not yet. There's one more animal. This is a jungle animals, right? Zebra. No, the zebra also says. This one, zebra, and this is a gorilla. This one, monkey. How about this one? It's a hippo. Crocodiles are green. And this one is a. This is a lion. This is a tiger. What bird is this one? I don't understand. It's not a peacock. Yeah, it's a parrot. That's right. Okay. Huh? What? Oh, this is just paper. It's okay. Don't break the wood, ah. I thought it's broken.
I think it's broken.
Be careful. But when tearing them down, you be careful, okay?
Be careful.
So that they will not get broken. So that you can build them more next time.
Don't do them like that. Put them in the single box.
Okay, you look at the shapes. The triangle. This is for the triangle. This is for the circle, baby.
Triangle, please.
Triangle. There's a triangle. This is a circle. I think this is for the one a while ago. This is for triangle.
Triangle, please.
There's no more triangle now. Square. Square.
Circle.
Square. This is circle. Circle. Circle.
I think I got also triangle.
Yeah, you got all the triangles already.
Wait, this is the triangle. It's a 12.
Oh, this is triangle, the red ones.
That is the 5 one.
Which one? Circle.
I'm the forest.
This is a circle, this is a square.
What the forest?
Triangle.
I am the forest.
For forest. Circle again. Circle again. Square again. Circle again. Square again. Okay.
Diamond?
Let's put it on the table. Over here.
Hey, this is a clown.
What shape is this one? Square. Oh.
A scale.
Square here.
Stop.
Square is over here. Oh, it will spill. Be careful, Jason. You need to put them line like tinapay, like bread, like that. Oh. You need to stack them up. Yan. You stack them up properly.
Abby, don't be so fast. These are actually different.
The square,
Abby, be careful.
the square goes here,
These
babe.
are actually different.
Oh, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Abby, says.
Okay, only Ate will put it inside, okay? You just give it to Ate. Oh, Ate, here, you hold this one. We will give it to you. Wait. Okay, first, let's put the squares. Only the squares only. Give it to Ate.
This one is
Square, Ate.
a square.
We'll give it to Ate. Square, Ate. Ate, you make sure they will fit, okay? Square.
I got it.
Square again.
Square.
Here's one, RB.
Thanks.
Another one. Here, Ben.
Wait.
Here, Ben.
Wait.
What? We're fast.
You.
I think this is diamond. That's a diamond. These are all diamonds here. This is a circle. You want the circle, DC?
Go for.
I think there's no more square.
Wait. Maybe I am
Oh, here.
I am the ocean.
Ocean square.
Ocean.
I think there's no more square now. We already found everything. This is diamond. These are all diamonds. Diamonds are the jungle diamond. Circle.
I found one before.
Can I put the diamond here? Can I put the diamond here?
It's circle. I think you found enough diamonds.
Okay, here's the diamond. I'll put the diamond here.
Oh no, it's all my fault.
Circle first, okay. Circle first.
There's
There's a circle.
I got it. Me too.
Circle. Ate.
Circle again.
Circle, ate.
Circle again. And what is this? What's the circle?
Here, there. And then the last one.
I saw that last one.
Yeah, I'm sure. Here's the diamond.
Okay.
Diamond.
Again, can you give me diamond?
Diamond.
I got diamond. I found diamond. I get it. Diamond.
Why?
Diamond.
Get Abby again.
Wait, sitting diamond. Wait, diamond. Wait, I'm gonna fix it.
Okay, we're gonna wait.
Diamond. I said wait. Okay, waiting.
We're waiting.
Okay, I'm waiting.
I got a diamond too.
I get the diamond too.
But that's the last diamond. I think Arby has it. It means all of these are triangles because you got all the shapes in there. The square, circle, and the diamond. Now these are all the triangles. Push it. Triangle, Arby. So now they're separate like that. Okay. There's no more underneath the table.
Yeah, I already get it. I already get one triangle under there. Hey, this is not the oak.
It's a triangle. You got confused. And here's the cover. You wanna cover it?
Okay, kids, we're not just done that. I'm gonna do this by myself.
Okay, Abby, Ate will do it by herself though, okay? We're gonna cheer her.
There's some triangles. Look and two.
What are you saying?
I'm buying.
Okay.
Look at my
Oh, nice drawing, Professor Arby.
I'm not. I bought it.
Okay, let's watch Ate
Look at
build
my
the first
pizza.
puzzle. Let's watch Ate first the first puzzle. It's a triangle puzzle. It's the insect land, I think.
And
Insect land.
this one. Here.
You wait for Ate.
I said to help me.
Yeah, we're just watching you. We're just watching you. Don't worry.
I just give it.
Yeah, the Arby is giving.
Here. Why are you turning it? Here. Oh no. Here. Stop touching it.
It's not. It doesn't go there. There's a missing wing.
I'm missing wing. I can do it all by myself.
I think you're holding it, Arby. No, it's not. Where's the missing wing? That doesn't fit there.
Maybe it's an ant there. It's a poopy. Maybe it's a poopy dog.
Oh, here. This is the part of the butterfly.
What? I got this one. I got up at top. Top. This one. Ant and the ant. They come together to a boom. A boom. And this is so weird. This is so weird. What? It's one going down.
It's wrong.
Here. Oh, I got two.
Turn it around. Turn it around.
Daddy, this is your dad.
No, that's the right one. That's down there.
Dad, this is
Turn
yours.
it more. Turn it more. Remove. Turn it more. Yan.
I got my
Wrong. Wrong. Sorry. I'm also wrong. This one. I think this one goes there. The popo. It's a corner. Yeah.
There, we erase it.
Okay.
I gotta put it in my dental. Then I'll switch the picture. There, look at my picture. I love you, Daddy.
Okay. Arby, where's the other puzzle? Can you get it?
I just erased it.
Ate needs that one.
Look, I don't get it again.
Me.
Hey, that's my eraser. I got my eraser.
Arby, give it to Ate.
Is it correct? My eraser.
What? That's correct. That's correct.
My eraser.
Sky. 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 Right?
I got it. I got it. Huh? Put the ball.
No, Arby has it. Upside down. Look at the red line.
Okay, Mommy, put it flowy. Put it flowy. And put it in the play there. Okay, I'm gonna do
It's cooked na. It's cooked na.
It's not cooked.
Food.
I'm building.
What's this next shape? It's a
Awesome.
square.
Awesome.
Not the shape. Square. But it's an ocean puzzle. Ocean land.
You're all finished. I'm waiting for my time. It's in my time. It's Joby time.
Shall we time?
It's a Joby time. Okay, time 1, 2, 3, go. Let me see. Your picture really pretty. I got my time. I got my time. It's my time. Let's go.
That's right.
This is my time because I'll be the dental today. What? Wait, it's just like that. So confused? Puzzle. It's making my brain go faster.
Wrong.
Oh, shit. So confused.
Your clue is the corners. See the blue
Is it
line?
our clue? Oh.
The blue line.
What is the left one?
See the blue line?
The blue line. There's a corner.
There, on the corner.
A corner. So long. After this, it goes that.
Oh, look at the blue line.
Blue line.
Yan.
Look at the next thing. Yeah.
Ma'am, look at JC. Oh, she's amazing in puzzle.
Wow, did you do that?
She did it all na kanina. She's just, doing it again. Kasi her brain is doing the work.
So smart. And also my baby Arby.
Yep. Arby also. Arby helped me a while build the other puzzle a while ago.
I did. He tried. Mommy, do it. Mommy, do it.
Oh, JC, say goodbye to the kids na.
Bye-bye, kids. I'm starting my puzzle, but bye.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy?
It's a fun game na. You play it all the time, okay?
Okay.
Well,
Arby, say bye-bye to the kids na.
Bye-bye.
Give them a flash kiss.
Bye-bye.
Give them.
Thank you. Hey, smile. Give a smile.
I don't my video. I don't want to watch all my video. The what? All my video. I get to go to do the rest. A lot of times. Here.
Thanks.
Okay, this is my pixel.
Wow.
Here. Put it in.
Put it in the plate. Put it in the plate.
Now it's time to do the 2-1. Okay, bye, kids. Bye.